how to register or create a WorldRemit account. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's guide video, I'll simply guide you through the steps on how you can register or create a WorldRemit account, so just make sure to watch the video till the very end. So if you'd like to create a WorldRemit account, all you have to do is just go to worldremit.com. I will also make sure to drop a direct link down in the description box as well. And once you go to worldremit.com, you're going to land on this page over here, where if you have an account, then you can just click this login button here. But if you don't have an account, you can click the sign up button from the very top right hand side of the screen. Once you click the sign up option from the top right hand side, you can just select a country that you would like to send the money from. Then just make sure to enter an email address that you want to use, and then just make sure to enter the password that you would like to use. Once you've entered all these details, you can just click the continue button and the WorldRemit account will be successfully created. If you already have an account, as I said earlier, you can just click the login button from the very top right hand side, enter your email and password, click on the continue button to sign into the account. This way you can register your account on WorldRemit. Hope this video was helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.